In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the Discord server here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, if you're in the game right now, you actually need to leave the game. You actually can't do this while you're currently in the game, unfortunately. So essentially, go ahead and back out by selecting the Roblox icon and then hitting leave down in the bottom left. Hit leave one more time to confirm and then get on the game page itself just by selecting the game, but don't hit play. Essentially, just scroll down on here and you need to keep scrolling down and you're going to see a little like Discord icon on here eventually. Go ahead and select that little Discord icon. I know it's a little hard to see right now, but once you select that Discord icon, hit continue and it's going to load you into Google Chrome where you just have to hit accept invite. It might not put you directly into Google Chrome. It'll usually just put you into whatever your main web browser is. But essentially from here, find the Discord server, and then you need to go ahead and verify with BloxLink. Just go ahead and hit update my roles just like so, or verify with BloxLink. And for whatever reason, if it's grayed out, it's likely because you didn't hit complete up at the very top first. But yeah, from here, it'll send you a DM, and then you just have to hit verify with BloxLink. Select this, and you are essentially good to go. You just got to sign in with Discord, hit authorize, and after you do that, it's going to fetch your account, or you just have to hit add another one and then go through and authorize your Roblox account. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.